YouTubers, what is up? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Sorry for the delay on the videos. It's been a very, very busy month. I actually just got back from Los Angeles day before yesterday. I was over there doing a cowbell video shoot, which turned into an amazing production. We had an absolute blast. So Richie Films, if you follow him on Instagram, at Richie Films, he was the director, and we rented this really cool warehouse loft, and honestly just had a ton of fun shooting there. And I got to geek out because I'm so into cameras, so I got to bring my own cameras and use this camera, the Canon C200, and bring my lights and everything. And it was a really collaborative effort between myself and the director, and it was a ton of fun. So I was doing that. I've had 2 drum camps here since I saw you guys last, and I'm getting ready. I'm leaving tomorrow for Alabama, go do a clinic there with my teacher and mentor, Will Kennedy and JD Blair. Then I go from Alabama to Ireland, and I'll be in Dublin, Ireland, doing the 21 Drums Camp with Sput, Mark Juliana, and Ash Stone. And I think even Richard Spavin's coming by for 2 days. Then I'm going from there, and then I'm doing a clinic in Dublin, Ireland at the Button Factory with those guys. Then I go from there to Belfast, to Northern Ireland, for my first clinic ever in Northern Ireland. Now, I will put all the information below, but we need to get into this. This is your Groove Clarity Challenge. It's a biscuit. Let's get started. So our goal is to play a nice little Gadsden groove, but instead of playing it single-handed, come on now. By the way, when you're doing this stuff, please do not let your hi-hats dominate the mix. What do people dance to? They dance to kick and snare, right? Ka, boom, boom, ka, whoop, boom. Nobody dances to this. No one dances to that. Keep your hi-hats down. Let the kick and snare lead the show. The hi-hats just support. Anyways, that's what we're going for, but you're only going to play 8th notes with the right hand. Well, how are we going to make it a Gadsden groove? Left foot. Your left foot is going to play all the E's and U's. So you're going to be playing 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3, 4 E and a. The trick here is as soon as if you've never done this, the trick is as soon as you start doing this, you're going to do this. You're going to keep leaning back. It has to be split second. It's up to you whether you want to go heel up or heel down. I choose to go heel up. I play it just like a bass drum pedal. It's split second. Cool, 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 cool. So it's up to you how you're going to do this, but no opens. If you have an open, you're out. So once again, the goal is a nice 16th note groove. The right hand is playing 8th notes. The left foot is playing E's and U's. So you get 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Let's try it together just like that, 60 beats per minute. 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Harder than it looks, right? So challenge 1 is, can you do that? At 60 beats per minute, kick on 1 and 3, snare on 2 and 4. Challenge 2, we're bumping up to 70 BPM, and your kick drum pattern will be 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. Now think about that 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3. That's gonna go with hi-hat, both feet, and then 1 without 1. It's not easy at all. Let's give it a shot, 70 BPM. 3, 4. Woo. If you can do that, challenge number 3 is a biscuit and a half. You're going to play the same thing, but now you actually are going to play 16th notes with your right hand. So 16th notes with the right hand, left foot on E and A, still no opens. So that means you have to be so precise to not get any of that going on. So we're playing this again. All right? Can I talk to you and do this at the same time? Well, I hope so. And then you're gonna switch. me get through the bass drum part. Your right hand is 16th notes. A 3 E and a 4 E and a... biscuit! What? I nailed it. I could have edited that out, but I left it for you, so you would know that I struggle just as much as anybody. Biscuits! Anyways, let's give it a try, 70 BPM. Woo, that's tough. All right, so you've got 3 challenges that you can choose to work on. 1, just do the damn thing at 60 or 70 BPM, kick on 1 and 3, snare on 2 and 4. Challenge number 2, bring it up to at least 70 BPM, and you're gonna have a more complicated bass drum of 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. And challenge number 3, that exact same bass drum pattern, left foot on E's and U's, but you are playing 16th notes with the right hand, so you have to be massively precise for that one. Now, the big question is, why the hell would you put yourself through all this pain? It's so that you can use that left foot in your grooves instead of it always being a timekeeper when you're over here. A lot of times if I'm playing a funk groove, like, I like adding in the left foot to add just a little bit of texture. Woo, that's it. All right, so now you know what the groove clarity challenge is. It's all about being ultra precise with that left foot instead of being all mamby-pamby with it. So once you get one of these 3 down, please film it, upload it, tag me on Instagram at Mike's Lessons, use the hashtag Mike's Lessons so I can see your progress. This one's gonna be tough, but I promise you, you are gonna grow a ton from it. So have fun with it, and I'll see you guys next time.